brought his mother with him.
Oh, yeah, no, she just don't interest her none.
No?
So how old is he?
He's 18.
Is he?
He'll be 19 this October. When I'm home, he can be like
Is he?
24/7.
Oh, yeah.
Well, what's your love life like these days?
Oh,
You recognize where we are?
Yeah, I know where we are. Point Pleasant Park is right there. And some guy swimming. Oh, look, they're all swimming. No, they're not.
Well, you still got your house there.
Oh, yeah.
So no trip north. Were you up north?
No.
Hey, here we go. Now we're gonna. Don't you think you get seasick?
Well, I'm not going to get seasick in this.
No.
Take a little bit more. Not much more, a little bit more. I was out here one time with a kayak. That's all the boats. There was a lady there Sunday.
That's funny. Yeah.
Taking care of Rick Lawler. And we have nothing else to look at.
Oh, look, his boat's gonna go over. He's like leaning all the way to the left side. What boat is that there?
No talking to Patrick. What's going on, eh?
I talked to him, who did I talk to? Last fall, just before Christmas, last fall. I see John Hunt. He has a place there in
Arizona.
Arizona, and Ray Hunt. He likes to play golf, Ray Hunt. They're about 20 minute drive from where I am. But they're never there.
They're down there a bit, aren't they?
No, they're not.
Or John is, I think, isn't he?
No.
No? Oh. Now we're gonna. Oh, now we get more waves.